how to handle any problem effectively. Now, you will not like how, but if you'll do what I suggest, you will see any problem you have will disappear, and as a bonus, your willingness to demonstrate your abilities, which you, by the way, never lose, will grow to new heights. So let's have a look. The word problem actually means pro in blaming. So you are professional in blaming. If you have a problem, you have a problem only for as long as you blame someone else other than yourself for the problem. You will see that once you look at the problem, if you look at the problem and you write everything you know and everything you don't know about the problem, you will get to the realization that you can do something about the problem. And the moment that you decide that you can do something about the problem, at that moment you will stop blaming others for your condition and you will gain the ability to do something about it. And as part of this process, you will discover just how powerful you are. And it is more than you ever imagined, more than anyone ever wanted you to know. Try it. Instead of blaming, find how can you control the problem. What part of the problem can you control? You do it by looking at the problem, not at the reasons for the problem. You look at what you know about the problem, what you don't know about the problem, what you know, what you don't know, what is a maybe. And then you look at the maybes and you decide, okay, this one, what in this may be a little bit more towards knowing and a little bit less towards not knowing about it. And you move it to know and don't know. And the more you look at the problem, just looking at the problem, at the facts of the problem, at the component parts of the problem, all of a sudden, you will be able to use your most powerful, most deadly weapon ever. And it is your ideas. Ideas will handle any problem you ever had. Ideas, and ideas alone, can undo problems. Ideas are stronger than any facts. So all you have to do is to look at the problem up to the point where you have the idea, and at that moment, the problem will not get solved. It will vanish. And what you will get is you. Because ideas come from the spirit, from you. And problems come from the physical universe. It is when you are effect. Try it, and you will see the magic that is you. Meir Ezra, a piece of truth for you.